If you want to download and install Adobe Photoshop on Windows 11, this guide will walk you through the quickest and safest way to get it set up on your computer. Whether you're installing it for the first time, using an existing Adobe account, or trying the faster Microsoft Store method, I'll show you exactly what to do, step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. First, let's start with the main method using Adobe Creative Cloud. Open your web browser and go to the official Adobe Creative Cloud download page. This is the hub Adobe uses to manage Photoshop and other Creative Cloud apps, so it's the best place to begin. On the page, click the Download Creative Cloud button to download the installer. Once the file finishes downloading, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Creative Cloud Web Installer executable file. This will launch the Adobe Installation Wizard on your Windows 11 PC. Next, you'll be asked to sign in with your Adobe account. If you already have an Adobe ID, enter your email and password and continue. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new Adobe account during this step by following the on-screen prompts. After signing in, complete the setup process for the Creative Cloud desktop app. This app is what you'll use to install Photoshop and manage updates in the future. Once Creative Cloud opens, look at the left sidebar and click the Apps tab. Then select All Apps so you can see the full list of Adobe software available to your account. Scroll through the list until you find Adobe Photoshop. When you see it, click the blue Install button next to it. If you have an active subscription, Photoshop will start downloading right away. If you don't have a paid plan, Adobe may offer you a 7-day free trial instead, depending on your account and region. From here, you can simply let the installer do its job. Photoshop will download, unpack, and configure itself in the background. You don't need to manually move files around or change any advanced settings. Just let the process finish. When the installation reaches 100%, the Install button will change to Open. That means Photoshop is ready to launch. Click Open and Adobe Photoshop will start on Windows 11. You'll now see the new workspace and can begin editing images, creating designs, or exploring the tools inside the app. If you want a fast alternative, there's also a Microsoft Store method. Open the Microsoft Store app on Windows 11, search for Adobe Photoshop, and then click Install directly from the store. This is a simple option if you prefer using the built-in Windows App Store instead of downloading through a browser. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to download and install Adobe Photoshop on Windows 11 using Adobe Creative Cloud, plus the quicker Microsoft Store option as a backup. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.